Darius DJ.
So hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, Anelita Shoki. So for today's video, I'm going to make a nail art. So before we proceed that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nail arts design. Okay, so the materials that I'm going to use is this one. So I bought this from Lazada. If you want to practice how to make nail arts, the design that you want, so you can use like this kind. And then this one, this, and this, and this one. So our design for today's video is a fire. A fire? Yeah, it's a fire. So without further ado, let's go. Let's proceed so that we are going to finish. So first, we're going to shake our nail polish. I don't know how to. Next one is color red. So I need to shake first before we're going to put it. Next, this one. Ooh. So guys, this is our finish